The tool that, at least to my knowledge, is the fastest and most thoroughly grounded in physiology and neuroscience for calming down in a self-directed way is what's called the physiological sigh. Here's how it works. When you inhale, this skeletal muscle that's inside your body, called the diaphragm, it moves down. And that's because the lungs expand, the diaphragm moves down. What this means is if you want your heart to beat faster, inhale longer, inhale more vigorously than your exhales. Now, the opposite is also true. If you want to slow your heart rate down, so stress response hits, you want to slow your heart rate down, you need to make your exhales longer and or more vigorous than your inhale.